Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, the Canada Knowledge Quest. As usual, we do justice to mathematical and some engineering problems. Today we're going to be looking at the topic in mathematics, integration by parts. Uh, we're going to look at how we can derive the general formula for solving integration by parts. Then subsequently, we're going to use this formula to solve various problems on integration and how we can know when to use this formula. No, there are various methods of integration. We have integration by partial fraction, integration by trigonometric substitution, by ordinary substitution, by parts. So we're going to see how we can derive this formula. And this formula is gotten from the product rule. For example, when we have y equals to uv, where y is a function of u and v, say it's y prime, which is y the derivative of y with respect to x, equals to what? U the v the x plus v the u the x. Now, in the same way now, if we have a function of x and g, a function of two variables, x and f and g, so we're going to use the same method. We're going to use the product rule to differentiate it. You know, we're looking at this formula, integral u the v equals to uv minus integral v the u. This is what we want to arrive at. So, if we want to solve this thing using the product, using this approach, you can say the derivative of this one is prime. Now, when we put prime here, it's the derivative. So it equals to what? F prime of x, g of x plus what? F of x, g prime of x. Right? This is the first thing to do. This is the same thing as this one. Or you can say y prime equals to what? U v prime plus v u prime. So this is actually represented in this form. We represented this one in this form. Remember. So what we do now, we say integrate both sides. How to then integrate both sides of the equation? Integrate both sides. So we have integral of f of x, g of x prime. I've integrated this side equal to what? The integral of what? F prime of x, g of x, the x, right? Plus what? F of x plus the integral of f of x, g prime of x, the x. So you can see we have integrated both sides of the equation. You know, in an equation, what you do to one side, you must do to the other side for the equation to be balanced. So what do we do next now? Let's see if we can clean here a little. So, you can remember the integration is the inverse of what? Differentiation. So invariably, if we have the square root and the squared, they can both cancel. So we use the same technique or scenario here because they are both opposite. So this integral sign can cancel the prime. So we have what? F of x, g of x equal to what? Integral of what? F prime of x, g of x dx plus what? The integral of what? F of x, g prime of x dx. Because we have integrated the integral sign cancels the differential, the prime. So what do we do next now? Let's try to make this the subject of formula. So when I say make subject of formula, it comes to the left hand side. So we have the integral of what? f of x, g prime of x, the x, equal to what? This minus this, right? Equal to what? F of x, g of x minus integral of f prime of x, g of x, dx. Okay, and we remember that we said that y equal to what? uv. So let's now try to substitute some things. Let's say u is what? Or what? F of x. Then v is what? G of what? X. Right? Then the u, which is difference, taking the derivative of u is what? F prime of x. And the v is what? G prime of x. Let's try to substitute these things with what? Into this expression here. So we have the integral of what is f of x, u, what is g prime of x, dv equal to what? What is f of x and g of x, u and v. So u is multiplying v, right? Then minus integral, what is f prime of x, is du, but we can just take this one in front. So g of x is what? V. F prime of x is what? F prime of x is what? Du. So we can see we have this expression back. So this is how we can prove the integration by parts formula. It's very simple. So basically with this formula, you could solve any problem with integration by parts when you follow the, so there are some particular order you can use as your u and the v. Now next video I'm going to show how we can use those order and actually solve various problems on integration by parts. Thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, like, comment and share our videos for more. Thank you very much. Bye.